Yo, what is up, everybody? My name is Fake KJ, and today I got a video for y'all showcasing this perk on Virginia. It's called First and Last Out, and what it does is whenever you're the last victim standing, strength and endurance is increased by 8 points. Pair this up with highly skilled and tougher stuff, you get max toughness and max proficiency. And on the skill tree, all you gotta do is just go to the left side. Right here, tougher stuff is right here, first in, last out right here, and then highly skilled right here. Now you're gonna see why I should have put the last 4 points into my endurance. So let's get into the video. It's gonna be some extravagant games here. Alright, first game on the family house. I think we got a hands hitchhiker and a Leatherface. Alright, so my goal for real is to try to help the others escape so I can be the last one, so I can showcase this perk to y'all. Let's go. First in, last out.
Hell am I?
Alright. Yeah, I'm going to the cold room. And nothing. Of course. Should we? Okay, I guess we're rushing then. Yep. Let's go. Give me that. Give me 2 of these. Oh, he's on the other side. Gotcha. Alright, I'm gonna get this one open first. Yep, 50p. Come on. I got this. I for sure got this.
Okay, it's open. What happened?
Nah, I'm not gonna escape yet. I'm gonna open up like one more door.
Please.
No! Oh my gosh. To the side garden. I just need to get this, please. I shouldn't have closed the door. Okay, never mind, I'm good.
What is it?
Yo, that was kind of scary, not gonna lie. Alright, yeah, I'm going out through here. Yep, safest. Yep. And we out of here. Oh, they causing a ruckus in there. Y'all, let me join the fun. Oh, it's Blood Moon, that's why. Okay. Valtech is back here.
Finally. I think I can.
Actually, no, let me do this quietly. Chill. I'm gonna just grab one. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna just grab one. Who's back here? Oh, about to say, Sonny.
I thought for a minute. Never mind. Whoever you are.
Shoot, no, you saw me, didn't you?
Together.
No, you didn't. You didn't see me. You didn't. Okay. Oh. Yup. Nope. Yes, sir. Oh. Get me out of here. Wait, is it in the middle? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm just gonna wait for you. I knew you had that! Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all, bro. This could be scary, man. But I don't care. I care! Please! Oh my gosh, y'all. Let's go. I just need to get this. Come on. Yep, I don't care. Didn't even get a hit off me. Shoot, man. Yeah, I need to leave. It's not up here. Come on.
Thank you, God.
I'm just kidding, y'all. I gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna waste my, bro. I'm not gonna waste my healing cloud. Bro, I just need... Wait. I just need a valve wheel, bro. I'm trying to get the one from upstairs. I know it's here. Let's go. Ah! Just need this. Come on, please. Shoot. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Now it's time to get out of here. Yup. No way he actually thought I went the other way. I'm gonna just use this, y'all, because, bro, I need that. I'm trying to save my poisons. We may not escape from this. I'm not gonna lie. There's no way! Free. Wait, yep, my chance, my chance. Move, please. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. No, sir. No, sir. Yup. Please, please, stay still.
Oh God, Jesse, please be alive.
Oh my gosh. I still got my plan. I'm gonna go back up, and then I'm gonna do the valve as a distraction.
My baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
I think I just heard Sonny in the basement still. Bro, come on. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Yep.
I have to find my boy. I can't.
So, Operation Rescue Everybody Except Me? Yeah, it didn't go so well. But we better make some great plays, though. Hold up. Okay, we good, we good. Come on. I just need to drag someone out here. 50p, coming in clutch. Oh, light work. Whoa! Where Hitchhiker go? So you're ripsawing it.
I got it.
Freak!
Here they are.
I'm a How did he not see me, bro?
Are they gone?
Yeah, so I don't even know what my next plan is, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I did not think it would be this difficult. But then again, it is family house, so. Are you out in the front? What are you doing? Oh,
Please don't
shoot,
see
bro.
me.
Come on.
Please.
Shoot. Let's go. Chill. Is he feeding? I should have checked. Let me grab that just in case. It's still locked. Open this up. Yes, yes, sir.
I got it.
We're going out.
Goodness. Oh, Jesse. My
Jen's
baby.
right there, bro.
Where are you?
He's distracted. Let's go, y'all. Please, please, man, please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes! Yes! Let's get out of here! First in, last out! No! Come on, come on! I should have enough. I should have enough time. Please, please, come on, man. Please, come on, my perk. Let's go, let's go. Please, please, please. No! Oh my gosh, I was so close, y'all. Oh my gosh. We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet though. We ain't done yet though. Back to do the fuse. Let's go. Hit me down. Look at you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna showcase this perk for y'all. Oh man, I really thought I was gonna get out there. Let's go. Give me this. Oh, well, I guess I didn't need that, but whatever. Y'all, I'm gonna showcase this perk. Whoo. I'm gonna get a small amount of time before we can do the, before he gets his, thing back. His rip stall. Let's go! What the heck? What the heck? Let's go! Let's go! Ah! Ah! Let's go, y'all. 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 No! Again? Wow, this is just not our day, y'all. I think oh man. Wow, okay. Well, who was that behind me? I didn't even care. Yup. Yep. I don't care, man. I really don't care. I really don't care at this point, man.
I'm not sure I can make it.
Shoot! Oh my gosh! Yeah, nah, you outplayed me. You outplayed me for real. Yeah, you got me right there, man. Yeah. GG though. GG. It was a great effort though. Great effort, man. Oh my gosh, y'all. That was intense. Okay. Alright, well, on to next game. Alright. Game 2 with the Cook, Leatherface, and Sissy. Alright, y'all. Let's try to right our wrongs this time. Trying to help everybody out. Make sure I'm the last one who escapes. Where am I going? You know what? I'm going the long way. Let's go. I love the walk. I love the walk. Okay. I think I see a Connie. We all move? Yeah, forget it. We all moving. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, babe. You gotta be. Give me that. Come on. Shoot. Already off the rip, huh? Where you at? Where you at? Don't come in here, please. Bubba, what the heck? Dog, nobody's in there. Please. Oh my god, I'm so scared, y'all. Oh, this one's already open. Okay. Let me just grab my ability. Grab that health too. Because I feel like I'm going to be taking a lot of damage.
Oh no.
I hope no one's in this basement. Wait, what? Oh, you were okay. Bro, I'm trying to get out of here, man. Okay. I gotta watch out for the Cook. Ah! When did she get down here? Oh my gosh. Oh, please. I'm just trying to survive, y'all. I'm just trying to survive. Give me that too, man. Give me that. Bro, Cook. Bro. Dog. I can't even get out the basement.
Damn.
What is this?
Not again.
Oh my gosh. Nope, 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 no, no, no. I hear her. I'm getting out of here.
Are they gone?
There's Cook. Is he? Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. This should just ask where the fuse was at. I'm getting open gas station right now.
That worked. Finally.
Alright. Oh, yes, sir. Someone's already doing the valve. Good work. Well, of course it's not in here when I want it to be in here.
Jesse, I miss you so much, baby.
Ooh. No, sir. No, sir.
You're here.
When did Cook go over here? When did Cook get over here, bro? I swear I just saw him at battery.
I think I can use that.
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't see where he's at. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let her deal with that. I'm gonna get out of here.
I think I can use that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Thank you. Okay. Someone's gotta do something. Someone's gotta do something. Come on now. Yep, yeah, you gotta go. Are you out there, right?
I might be able to use that.
I'm just gonna do this just in case. Just for more options, just in case if I want to turn off the gen.
It's open.
For style points. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I got it. He just said, gen was open. Picking this. Bro, no way Cook oh, Leatherface left. Okay. Okay. Valve is opening. That's good. That's good. And about to get this off. Yes, sir.
Okay, I got it.
Come on. Y'all got plenty of opportunities to leave. Cook, you don't want to do this, man. You don't want to do... weave. Oh, my God. Wait. Use my ability. Why can't I use my... Never mind. I kind of just wasted it. I'm not going to lie.
Come on. That was too loud.
Come on, Cook. Come on, Cook. You want it. Shoot! Come on! Shoot! Please, leave! Y'all need to leave! Help me! Wait, okay, never mind. Cook doesn't... Wait, he can't... Come on. Yes! 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 Ah, come on, Cook! First in, last out. Yeah, whatever, y'all. I'm just gonna leave, bro. Look at this, y'all. Oh, my gosh. The timing was insane. Ah, that was good, man. That was good. Bro. Honestly, I had a really solid team there. They actually went to go do stuff. Proud of that. Oh my gosh. Alright, on to game 3 now. Alright, game 3. So I think the Leatherface and the Sissy are both like, one's a level 3, one's a level 0. And we got a level 10 Johnny, so this might be like a decent game for real.
What happened?
I'm not here looking for decent, I'm looking for extravagant. That's the word for today. Extravagant. I mean, I can really just take my time. Yo, who's behind me? Oh, what's good, Sonny? Bro, Sonny, you gotta stop doing that, man. Yo, I can't be like just sneaking up on me like that, for real. Wait, bro. Just give me this, whatever. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Ooh, yup. No, sir. Yo, yeah, you do that for me, Connie.
Thought for a minute. Never mind. Whoever you are. Let's...
Yeah, nah, I'm just gonna leave. I think I'll leave, for real. Plan? I guess unlock the doors, for real. I mean, like, Are you behind me, Connie? Word, let's go. I think you're behind me.
It's open.
No, you're just trying to get a tool. Respectable. Bro, I swear, if Johnny's like right up here. Okay. Should be it. Freak. I mean. Oh, you got that on her? I see you. Oh yeah, yes sir. Let's go. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna do the fuse.
Thank you.
She's out. For sure.
I think I can use that.
I'm just trying to help everybody out. Nope, it's not there. Come on, I'm gonna need everyone to escape for real. Gotta show. Okay, so it's in Hitchhiker's room. Gotcha. Don't die, whoever you are. I'll save you. Just get to the basement. You know, I'm just gonna spam this because why not? Yup. Ain't no one coming up here anyway. I'm stuck. Okay. Please don't die. Alright, quick math. Let's go. Oh, yeah, easiest math problem I've ever seen, bro. Let's go. Yep. Let's go.
Now I need to get out of here.
Now I can get out. Alright. Someone's coming up? No? Oh, what was that on my screen? Alright, let's... Where's the valve tank? That's a real question. Don't tell me it's in the front. I hope it's not. I mean, if it is, we can do that too. I don't see it back there. Turn that off. Golly, it's dark. Back here. It is back here. I'm gonna turn on the basement. I'm gonna turn on this valve. Let's go. 50p, 50p. Let's go. I also got 50 toughness too. So we should be fine.
What is that?
Turn back on the fuse box. I think I'm gonna escape from the Yep, let's go. Y'all need to escape ASAP. I'm escaping from the valve tank. Please, y'all, escape. I'm trying to make my exit look cool, man. Wait, what am I looking at? Okay, still going off. Just gonna wait here for real. Actually, where is everybody at? Bro, y'all, escape, please. Oh, I'm not trying to drag this game on any longer than it needs to be. Okay, well, what if I just go back here then? Alright, I guess I can take y'all on like a tour or something, man. Ooh, okay. Wait, the gen! I'm gonna kick the gen. I'm gonna do the driveway then. Y'all, escape or something. Please. What is he doing? Yeah, I know it's a lot of red, man. Did you die? Wait, what? Cool down. That's Sunny? What is it? Bro, this armor's crazy. Shoot. Just gonna hide in here just because. Oh, perfect timing. Wait, what? They coming for you? Shoot.
Oh, Jesse, sweetie, I know you're here. I can feel it.
You kicking? The line is gone. Okay. It's go. Alright, I don't know what that's about. Wait. Okay, cool. I mean, to be honest with y'all, I really don't need them to escape. I just need to be the last one alive. But Sonny, you're escaping, man. You're escaping. Come on. I gotta show this off. Alright, we gone. Sonny, run!
Make it now.
Sonny. Freak!
Stay away.
Come on, let's go. Well, we... Ah! Oh, you... Bro, wrong person. Yup. Let's go! Let's go! Sonny, just escape. Just escape. Sonny. Oh, dang, Johnny.
I have to find him. Please let me find my.
Sonny, please escape. Please escape. I just need you to escape.
Damn. Not again.
Let me get this. Let me get this again. Let me get this again.
Not again.
Sonny, please escape, man.
I might be able to use that.
Yup. Weave. Yup. Sonny, please escape. Sonny, please. Sonny. Please. I'll be fine. I'll honestly be fine. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Yes, sir. Let's go, Sonny. Let's go. Let's go. You first. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Come on. Yes, sir. I'm out of here.
I know Jesse's still in there.
Yes, sir. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh, yo. Nah, that was extravagant. That was extravagant right there. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode.